Credit plays a big role in financial health, but many Americans still struggle to understand how it works, from managing credit cards to knowing what impacts a credit score. So joining us today is Steve Min. He is the Chief Credit Officer at Credit One Bank, and he's here to discuss a new survey that just came out, what's behind the credit education gap, and how people can feel empowered to take control of their finances. Welcome to the show, Steve.
Oh, thank you for having me.
So let's start off, first of all, why is financial education, especially around credit, such a big issue right now?
Well, credit impacts just about every aspect of your life at this point, whether you're applying for a loan, trying to rent a new home, even with the cost of living, lots of people are using credit to bridge the gap on a month-to-month basis. Problem is, not many people understand how credit works. They don't understand what influences their credit score or how to use credit wisely. It's not just a problem with one group. Anyone can damage their credit without the right tools and information.
And how are people falling short? Like, what are the biggest knowledge gaps?
Well, there's a lot of confusion around credit fundamentals. Our survey identified that 72% of people don't realize that missing a payment can stay on their credit record for up to 7 years and impact their credit score for a long period of time. They also didn't realize that using all of the credit that you have available is also negative from a credit score perspective. From a lender's point of view, someone who's using all of their available credit looks riskier than someone who's using half or a third of their available credit. And understanding these fundamentals is the key to improving your credit score.
And what are some of the most common credit misconceptions?
Well, there are a lot of misconceptions out there. And our survey identified the fact that 70% of people are unaware that they should keep their oldest credit account open. The longer your credit bureau history is, the better your credit score will be. Also, like I said before, using all of that available credit that you have is also bad for your credit score. So people need to use the credit that they have wisely.
So where should people who are starting from scratch actually begin?
Well, to build your credit profile, you need to have credit. So they need to go out and get credit of some kind. Typically, it's a credit card that people use to start their credit adventure. Pay your bill on time. Use the account wisely. Don't max it out. And as you go through time, make sure you have a diverse set of credit, including things like auto loans and personal loans, because that length of your credit record and the diversity of the types of credit that you have will also improve your credit score.
And what resources are available for those looking to better understand and improve their credit and learn how to avoid these common mistakes?
Credit One Bank is focused on providing credit education to everyone. And as part of that, we've launched this Credit Wreckers campaign. You can go to creditwreckers.com for an entertaining way to learn how to improve your credit profile and specifically what not to do to wreck your credit.
And again, where can we go for more information?
Creditwreckers.com is a great site. It provides a lot of insight into credit fundamentals, and it's an entertaining way to see how you can wreck your credit. We don't want people to wreck your credit, and this was a fun and entertaining way to do that.
Steve, thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Oh, thank you for having me.